Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to create multiple profiles in Brave browser. So to do this, first is you can just simply go ahead and go to the profile icon on the top right corner beside the three lights as you can see over here. Now to add a new profile, you can just simply select add Brave profile. Now, for example, I'm gonna go create my second profile. I'm gonna go for DelftStack 2. So take note, each one of your profile, you will have different themes. So select one and you can change it, the avatar as well over here. Based on your preferences, you will have multiple options over here. Now over here, select done. And after that, you will have a new profile. Now, if you have many profile, in order for you to manage it, select the profile icon on the top right corner again, and you will have here manage Brave profiles. Now from here, as you can see, I have 4. And now when you go for the 3 lines over here, you can edit it out and it will redirect you over to this page. When you are here on the manage profile, you will have an option to add as many as you can, and you can change between different accounts over here, and you can rename it right away. And as you can see, each one of them have their different themes, different settings, so pretty much different data. And pretty much you can just simply click on this icon to manage your Brave profiles. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.